Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the Lenovo IdeaPad. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to keep your device in top condition. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Having the right tools will make the process smoother and more efficient. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from the wall. This ensures your safety while working on the device. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial to prevent any accidental short circuits. Now, let's focus on the screws. Flip your Lenovo IdeaPad over and locate the screws holding the back panel in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any during the process. If you're unsure about how many screws to remove, refer to your device's manual for guidance. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you find it difficult to remove, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. It's crucial to keep this area clean for optimal performance. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heat sinks. This will help prevent overheating issues, which can significantly impact your device's performance. If you notice any buildup on the components, lightly wipe them with a microfiber cloth. Avoid using any liquid cleaners, as these can damage the electronics. If you're uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand what needs to be done. Next, let's ensure your laptop's cooling system is functioning properly. Check that the fans are spinning freely. If they're obstructed, clear away any debris that might be causing issues. Regular maintenance like this can extend the lifespan of your device. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Lenovo IdeaPad. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Once the laptop is back together, perform a quick check. Reinsert the battery, plug it back in, and power it up. Listen for the fans and ensure that everything is operating smoothly. If you find yourself lacking the time or tools for this maintenance, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. You can receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your Lenovo IdeaPad will keep it running efficiently and can prevent future issues. Following these steps will help you maintain your device without any technical expertise. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on keeping your tech in great shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.